Alright guys, I'm out here with the Mavic Mini right here. And here she be. This is the first flight with the new one. This is the new one right here. And I want to fly it, of course, because we have to see if it works or it's called DJI. So we're going to get on here and fly this sucker. Like I said, we just want to fly it around a little bit to make sure I don't have to call DJI. Okay. I like that little battery indicator thing there. That thing's pretty cool. All right, looks good. Looks good. Okay, let me try the C mode real quick. See what kind of speed we get out of that. Seven, 8, 9. So you're looking at like 9 miles an hour in the C mode. Let me see here. The P mode. $15. I think I got about 15 there. I lost the bind on it there for a second. So that was kind of unusual at that distance. Let me go over here a little bit. Okay, let's try to get the miles per hour out of this now. $16. So it's like 17. And then on the sport mode, okay, we're just gonna have to go up a little higher for that. Okay, I'll bring it back here. $28 miles an hour. Okay. All right. So I never use the sport mode or anything like that. I always just use the P mode. That's what I always use. You see how parched this grass is. This has been the hottest summer in the history of Pittsburgh, okay? I think this P mode to me is just the exact sweet spot of this thing. To me, that's just my opinion. All right, looks good. Yay! I just wanted to check it out. I don't need to do the flight modes because we know they're not that good anyway, so I just fly this thing as a manual type deal. I don't try to do any kind of flight features. I always just fly this thing manually, so. All right, I am going to land it. So there it is. Mavic Mini. The new one. It's a classic. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later, man.